How to prevent blackheads. Those annoying blackheads that appear on your face are not a problem that only happens to teenagers. They can appear at any age because they are just an accumulation of grease or dead cells, which close up skin pores. Because of pollution in the environment, those closed pores take on a dark color, which causes pimples or blackheads. In order to prevent these problems, there are some very simple tips that you can put into practice right now and learn how to prevent blackheads from coming back. Wash your face. This is the most effective and simple way to prevent blackheads on your face. Wash it every day with warm water and a good antibacterial soap. It is important to keep in mind that after exercising and sweating, you should take a warm shower, so that your face is free of any bacteria that could cause the appearance of a blackhead. Wash off makeup. Any kind of makeup that you use, as well as creams, sunblocks, bronzers, and lotions, can cause your pores to close up and therefore cause the appearance of those annoying blackheads. For this reason, it is very important that before you go to sleep, clean your face very well and use a special cream to remove makeup. You should wash your face very well with the antibacterial soap that we mentioned before. You can also use a special lotion to clean your face. Apply this gently and in circles with a clean cloth or a cotton ball. Protecting creams. Your skin is completely exposed to pollution in the environment, which is why it is a good idea to apply creams that can effectively protect your face against some factors that are inevitably found in the air. A good protecting cream can be a natural sandalwood-based one, which has great moisturizing properties, as well as being germicidal, which can be a huge help when there are pollutants. Use facial masks. There are some masks that are very effective for deep cleaning, which benefits your face amazingly because they prevent any kind of impurities from forming on your face. You can apply the masks 2 or 3 times a week and they can be very simple, like just applying honey and letting it sit for 20 minutes before removing it with warm water. Another highly recommended mask to remove and prevent blackheads is mixing yogurt with grated orange skin, which can be applied to your face and left on for 10 minutes. Rinse with plenty of cold water after. Exfoliate your skin with oats. Make a mixture of oats with rose water and gently massage it on your face. Let sit for 5 minutes. Rinse it first with warm water and then cold. In this way, you will remove blackheads.